Nighttime skincare. Before muna tayo skincare, remove muna natin yung makeup. So, medyo makapal yung makeup ko for today. Ito lang naman yung ginagamit ko. And then, ito yung gamit ko sa eyes. Yung gamit kong mascara is CZ or ZC. Ito naman yung pang-remove ng overall makeup. Sensitive yung skin ko, so nahilangan ko tong may seller ng Garnier and also yung from Nivea.